Hello, hi everyone, I'm Dasar Siddiq and you are watching Tech Double. In this video, I will show you the Bluetooth amplifier circuit and we will make it in our home easily. So look at here, by using a default laptop battery cell. Look at here, the default laptop battery cell in front of your screen, and these are the default laptop battery cell. It's provide the 12-volt battery, and look at here the amplifier circuit, and this is the Bluetooth circuit is also present here inside of the box. Look at here the Bluetooth circuit, and this is a speaker. Look at here, we attach two speaker parallelly to decrease the impedance of the speaker, and we make a rechargeable amplifier Bluetooth circuit. Look at here, and we use a laptop charger and place inside of the box, and I will also show you the working of this amplifier. And we use default cells. Look at here, and I also attach two more cells to increase the power voltage and ampere of the cell. We attach two cells parallelly, and to make the combination of parallel and series we get the voltage of 12 volts. So this is show you how you use the default laptop battery cells and to make a project in your home by using simple box and simple circuits. I will also show you the Bluetooth circuit and amplifier circuit working. Look at here, I will show you this is the amplifier circuits which work from 8 voltage to 24 volts, and the inner side I will also show you the inner side the Bluetooth circuit. Look at here, this is a Bluetooth circuits, and you also see that the black one, it's at 78.012 it's provide the fixed 12 voltage, and it's a voltage regulator which provides a fixed 12 voltage. And look at here the laptop charger we place inside the box to charge these cells. So in this way we design a rechargeable amplified circuits and a Bluetooth also. I'm also show you the working. Look at here the speaker. When we close the box, I will show you their working, their performance, and their battery timing. It's provide 6 to 7 days battery timing in routine usage. Now I will show you their working and how they connect with Bluetooth by using simple mobile cell. Look at here the circuits inside that. This is the amplifier circuit, and this is the Bluetooth circuits. Look at here the Bluetooth one, and now I check it's working properly or not. So we check the working of this amplifier. Look at here, I turn on the switch, and now it's, look at it, Bluetooth is connected. Now I play the songs. Fully working and a very high volume range. Now I will also show you the, look at here, it's in on conditions, and look at here the switch is also on, and red lights show the its conditions on condition. And I will also check the how we charge these cells. Look at here these laptop battery cells and how we will charge it. Look at here, I will show you. And first I close it off the switch. Now the switch is off and the light is also closed. Now look at here, I connect the charger. Look at here, and now I connect the switch to the board. Look at here the blue LEDs is glow, and look at this is the blue LEDs, and now the cell starts charging. So it's in this way you can design your amplifier Bluetooth amplifier circuit easily in your home by using a simple wooden box. So attach with me for more informative and homemade projects. Thanks for watching my video.